Senator Bato is recognized. Senator Judge Bato is recognized, rather. You may proceed, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Before I comment on the manifestation of Senator Judge Alan Peter Cayetano, I just would like to react on the manifestation made a while ago by Senator Judge Risa Hontiveros, that the Senate as an impeachment court has no power to dismiss any impeachment complaint. I would just like to share to the body, Mr. President, that the power of the Senate to try and hear an impeachment complaint necessarily includes the power to dismiss the complaint. This is basic, that the grant of express powers includes the grant of incidental or necessary powers. We apply, by analogy, the principle of competence in German and competence, de la competence in French, which is indeed a major part of incidental or inherent jurisdiction of any judicial or arbitral tribunal. It is necessary component in the exercise of the judicial function and does not need to be expressly provided for in the constitutive documents of those tribunals. Kaya, Mr. President, kahit hindi ako lawyer, masasabi ko, if this impeachment court has no power to dismiss an impeachment complaint, walang silbi itong korte na ito, Mr. President. That's my opinion, Mr. President. Ano bang gamit ng korte na ito kung hindi inherent yung power niya to dismiss? So that's my humble legal opinion, although I am not a lawyer, Mr. President. And Mr. President, going back to the manifestation of Senator Cayetano, sometimes I am contemplating that how I wish Senator Cayetano is always present in the floor. Every time a crisis is being faced by this August chamber, Mr. President, because his ideas and his mere presence only can cool down the boiling hearts and heating heads. So with that, Mr. President, I would like to ask for a 1-minute suspension because before I made my final decision on the manifestation of Senator Cayetano, I would like to confer with my co-movants, Mr. President. Baka iinit naman ang ulo nito mga kasamahan ko, Mr. President. Thank you, Mr. President. 1-minute suspension.
Session is suspended.